way.
Yeah, it sure is, Lala. So what do you want to do?
I'm not sure, Dipsy.
Whoa! Huh? What was that?
I don't know, but it looked like fire.
Fire? Where did that come from?
I don't know. Hey, look, there's Drake over there. Maybe he knows.
Yeah, come on. This is ridiculous.
Uh-oh, Drake. What's going on?
Oh, hey there, Lala and Dipsy. You guys might want to stand back. Well, why? Because I have the hiccups.
Hiccups? But Drake, hiccups aren't contagious.
Yes, I know. I know hiccups are contagious, but my hiccups are not normal. You see, whenever I have the hiccups, I sometimes hiccup fireballs.
What? Fireballs? Wait, is that what we just saw flying above our head earlier?
Yep, that was me. Oh no, I think I feel another one coming. Guys, watch out!
Oh no.
My leg! Sorry! See what I mean?
Whoa, now that's serious. Not only that, Dipsy, it's also dangerous. I mean, the next thing you'll know, you'll burn down a whole building with those hiccups, Drake.
Yeah, I know.
We've got to get rid of those hiccups, Drake.
Yeah. So, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, there are some ways to cure hiccups, Drake.
Well, what are my options?
Well, there's the common one, holding your breath.
Yeah, try that, Drake. Okay.
And try holding it as long as you can, all right?
Okay, I'll give it a try.
Yeah, just keep holding it in, Drake.
Drake, are you all right?
Drake, breathe out, breathe out.
Man, that was so hard to do. Well, are your hiccups gone, Drake? Hey, you know, I think they are. No, they're not. Oh, man. Oh, no. Duck, guys! Whoa!
Oh, bibbly cheese!
Yikes! We need a new idea to get rid of your hiccups, Drake.
Guys!
Oh, Tinky Winky.
Guys, I just saw a fireball flying over my head.
Oh, yeah, that was Drake. Yeah, I have the hiccups.
Hiccups?
Yeah, he sometimes hiccups fireballs.
Oh.
Yeah, and very, very annoying. I need to get rid of these hiccups. Anybody else having any ideas besides holding your breath?
Well, you could always use your breath in a different way, Drake, like breathing into a paper bag. Okay, let's see here. Aha! Here's one.
You carry a bag in your bag?
Yeah.
All right, let me just have the paper bag right here. Okay. Okay, I think that did the trick. Oh, it didn't work.
Oh my goodness, Drake! That could burn down a whole tree, you know?
I know. That's why I'm trying to get rid of these, because these hiccups are dangerous.
Yeah, we gotta find another way.
Well, what else can we try?
Oh, I know. This can definitely cure Drake's hiccups.
What is it, Dipsy?
Standing on your head while saying the alphabet.
What?
It worked for me when I had hiccups.
Well, it's worth a try. Come on, Drake.
All right, I'm coming. Let's just see if this works.
All right, Drake, are you ready?
Yep. Now, I don't really have a good balance, but let's just give this a try. Here I go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z!
Whoa! Are you all right, Drake?
Ugh. Yeah, I'm all right. But where did Dipsy go? Oh, sorry, Dipsy.
Well, did that work?
Well, you know, I think it did. Not. Oh, that didn't work either. Oh, we've got to get rid of my hiccups.
Well, I'm out of ideas. Maybe we can scare the hiccups out of Drake.
Oh yeah! Sometimes scaring hiccups out can work.
Yeah, but that's gonna be pretty hard because I don't get that scared easily.
Oh, we'll see about that, Drake. I have something that will really scare you. Be right back.
Well, whatever Dipsy's bringing back, I hope it gets rid of my hiccups.
Did you get scared?
Nope, but that was a scary mask, but I've seen scarier.
Oh, I thought that would work.
Nope. Oh, duck, Dipsy! Oh.
Wow, that definitely didn't work. Well, what else can we do to get rid of Drake's hiccups? I don't know, Lala.
I don't know either. Maybe Duckster has an idea.
Oh, yeah! Duckster always has good ideas. Let's go to Duckster's place.
All right, sounds like a plan.
So, you need a cure to get rid of hiccups?
Yeah, that's why I'm here, Duckster.
Well, I have just the thing for you, Drake. Here we are. Try drinking a cup of water.
Oh, yeah, that's a great idea, Duckster.
All right, I'll give it a try. I hope this works. Oh, that didn't work either.
Oh, well, if that doesn't work, try drinking from the wrong side of the cup.
Pardon?
Drink from the wrong side of the cup.
What does that mean, Duckster?
Drink from the other end, Drake.
Why, you mean like this? Like that?
Yeah, that's the way.
Well, maybe that worked.
Well, I don't hear anything. Yeah.
What do you know? It worked! Drinking from the wrong side of the cup worked! Yay! Oh, no!
Oh, dear, Drake.
I still have the hiccups!
Hey, you guys smell something? My hair! Oh, quackers. Oh, I almost became a roast duck.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Duckster.
Drake, if you're gonna keep hiccuping fireballs, then you can't be in here because you might burn down my whole workshop. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's get out of here.
Yeah, I don't want to burn down this workshop.
Oh, bibbly cheese.
We've tried everything.
Yeah, and Drake still has those hiccups.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know how long I'll be having these hiccups. Hiccup! My leg! Sorry.
Oh, I can't think of anything else, Drake. Uh-oh.
Oh, hey there. Ah! Yeah.
Whoa! What, Drake? Drake, calm down. It's just a rabbit.
Oh, it's just a bunny. Yeah, I knew that. Oh, that bunny rabbit sure made me jump.
Are
I don't believe it! Drake didn't get scared of my monster mask, but he got scared by that little bunny rabbit?
Well, it did happen unexpectedly, Dipsy.
Yeah, he has a point, Dipsy. Hey! I don't have hiccups anymore. I don't hear any hiccups. Hey! I think they're gone! My hiccups are gone!
All right, Drake.
Yay! I still can't believe that a rabbit scared the hiccups out of you, Drake. Yeah, but I'm glad that my hiccups are gone. Thank you, Poe.
Don't thank me. Thank the rabbit.
Thank you, Rabbit, for scaring my hiccups away. Yeah.
Bye-bye, rabbit.
Oh, I am so glad that my hiccups are gone, because it's not very common for a dragon to get hiccups, you know. Yeah, I can tell, Drake, because you hiccuped fireballs. Yeah, I know.
Fireballs? You hiccuped fireballs, Drake?
Yeah, it's a long story, Poe.
Oh.
But I am so happy that my hiccups are gone.
Yeah, and we're happy for you, Drake.
Yeah, we sure are.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Uh-oh. Let's go.
Sobrasznika. Jo, zapnę. Zawanać nie bosne. Nie. Aha, zapakamy. Ah.